Hey, hi guys, I am Mahalakshmi from AML department in SNS City. Today I would like to share about SNS Institutions Roadmap. Roadmap is nothing but directions or correct directions for source to destination in business institutions having some strategy or innovative solutions having the students correct way of going to uh, our future goals or future lifestyles. So SNS innovations having some core elements, 3P culture or SNS system having three foundational pillars like innovation derives strategic actions and design thinking framework. So we are collaborating the user-centric development and also having the five-pillar strategy. So the SNS institutions formatting or following the three pillars of the system. 3P culture, called as 3P culture. 3P culture is nothing but purpose, process, and uh, serve to the people. Purpose means organizing purpose is the reason for being. Its ultimate goal beyond is simply making a profit. The process is the system and the procedures that organizers use to get work done. So we have to purpose and the process to the some problems or some questions or some whatever. So we have to finally serve to the people. That is the uh, three pillars in SNS institutions. So SNS institutions having the some design thinking framework. Design thinking framework is the creative problem solving method, like uh, 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 all peoples are giving to the solutions, but SNS institutions are having the different solutions, like design thinking. Design thinking means nothing but the user in user point of view, in user point of view, they have to some problem means they have some problems means we have to find out in users side. So we have to some ideas or some queries and some innovation problems are created. So we have to understanding the user needs, then generating the solutions, and also generating the solutions. The more solutions are we are given to the solutions. So we have to test or prototyping to the that solutions. Finally, whatever it's comfortable and working to the smoothly in user needs or user problems, that type of solution we have to given to the people. That is the design thinking main framework. Uh, the SNS institutions are giving or follow the five pillar strategy. Five pillar means empathize, define, prototype, ideate, and evaluate. Empathize and define is the same concept, like user side problems or user side need or user side whatever. So we have to the users problem. Empathize means we have in user side, so what they are need. Define means we have some user side uh, user side problems, what is their need and what is give to some solutions. So ideate means we have given the some ideas, uh, what is the problem and how to solve this problem in for the users. So we are giving to the more number of ideas, but whatever give to the ideas having the they are the own solutions. So we have the idea means the prototype helping to the prototype helping to the all ideas are giving to the prototype. We have test and find out the valuable ideate, then evaluate that solutions for and given to the peoples. So empathy means deeply understand their need, motivations, and the challenges of the users and stakeholders for whom the innovation is intended. The define is clarify, frame the problems or the opportunity that the innovation seeks to the address. So The ideate is nothing but the solutions to define the problem. So we have enhanced solutions, utilize the techniques, collaborative discussions, encourage creativity, brainstorming, exploring perspectives, define the problems. Brainstorming is nothing but we have to some groups, we have different ideas, they have given to the different ideas, so we have choosing the best ideas, so we have find out the enhanced solutions to define the problem. So the prototype is nothing but the test type, testing the which prototype should be developed, physical model and digital prototype. The most build and test tangible models are prototypes of the most promising solutions. The evaluate is the gather the feedback. So uh, all feedbacks are gathered and refine the prototypes, test the solution and iterate the process. So build and test the tangible models are prototype of the most promising solutions. Finally, I have these are the we have crossed the uh, we have crossed to the in the roadmap. So finally we have the we put into the some seeds example 0% knowledge in some students. We have to implement the core elements, so we have some ideas given to the students. They have progressively monitored means regularly monitored. Regularly means our mentor-mentee concept are in SNS institutions. Mentees are one-to-one. We are together, speak and call to their parents. Whatever problems we have short out, then cultivate, improved their cultures and the huge successful models in there. The implementations of SNS system should be approached in the phased manner, which focus on the continuous improvement and scaling successful models across the institutions. So, moving ahead and the next steps in SNS institutions, strengthen the 3P culture across all departments, promoting shared understanding of purpose, process, and to the people. Train stakeholders in design thinking principles, equipping them with the skills and the knowledge to they effectively apply the design thinking framework. So, thank you for this opportunity. Let's work together.